a ProPress. In the past, we would have soldered all of this. It's really time consuming, and if you put it all to get it all soldered and you have a failure in the solder drain, you have to drain the whole system down. What's really nice about this is you don't have to have the pipe as clean as you do when you solder, and it doesn't have to be as dry when you solder. So if there's a little water left in the pipe, you can go ahead and just crimp it and it's a perfectly good seal. Where if it was a solder joint, it has to be 100% dry and 100% clean to get the solder to adhere to the pipe and the fitting. This just really saves a lot of time, and it's a really good quality job when you're done. It's all factory preset. The pressure at the end of the jaws when it crimps is 1,600 pounds. It's electric over hydraulic, so it's a hydraulic press that crimps these jaws closed, and you get a 1,600 pound pressure at the end of the jaws when it's done crimping. Later we could grab a business card and fold it up and explode it in there. Okay. That's what the salesman always does. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?